The lean startup begins with uncertainty, when ideas exist only as questions, not answers.
Most startups don't fail from a lack of effort, but from building something nobody truly needs.
The lean startup challenges the traditional belief that detailed plans guarantee success. Instead of long planning cycles, it treats startups as experiments under extreme uncertainty. At its core, the method asks one simple question: what should we test first?
Assumptions feel like facts until reality proves otherwise.
Lean startup starts by identifying assumptions that could break the business if wrong.
These are called leap of faith assumptions, and they must be tested early.
Rather than building everything, lean focuses on learning as fast as possible.
Learning, not growth, is the first measure of real progress.
This leads to the idea of the minimum viable product, or MVP.
An MVP is not about perfection, but about speed and insight.
The goal is to see how real users behave, not what they say.
Behavior reveals truth faster than opinions ever will.
Every experiment must produce actionable data, not vanity metrics.
Metrics only matter if they help decide what to do next.
Lean startup replaces gut feelings with validated learning.
Each test either confirms assumptions or forces a hard rethink.
This constant feedback loop keeps startups grounded in reality.
The lean startup is not about guessing right, but learning fast enough to survive.
Early experiments often reveal uncomfortable truths about the original idea.
What seemed obvious at first can quickly feel fragile when tested.
Many founders resist change, even when evidence points elsewhere. Doubt grows when progress feels slow and direction unclear.
Early feedback rarely sounds encouraging, but it is rarely useless.
This stage tests emotional endurance more than technical skill.
Lean exposes mistakes quickly, leaving little room for denial.
Patterns begin to emerge when feedback is observed honestly.
Cutting work can feel like failure, even when it saves the company.
Lean forces founders to confront reality without comfort or excuses.
Each revision reflects a lesson paid for with time and energy.
Numbers reveal whether change improved learning or wasted effort.
Listening carefully becomes more important than defending ideas.
Mistakes are no longer hidden behind optimism.
Lean makes progress visible, but also exposes wasted motion.
Focus narrows as distractions are stripped away.
Doubt often peaks just before clarity appears.
The trust savers. Structure brings calm to what once felt like chaos.
Shared understanding grows when data replaces opinion.
Struggle is not a detour in lean startup. It is the path forward.
After struggle, lean offers clarity through structured learning.
This clarity centers on one cycle: build, measure, and learn.
Build means creating just enough to test a specific assumption.
Measurement begins the moment real users interact with the product. Learning comes from behavior, not from internal hopes.
Lean prioritizes metrics that guide decisions, not impress investors.
With clearer signals, confidence slowly replaces doubt.
Focus narrows to the assumptions that matter most right now.
Simplicity becomes a strategy, not a compromise.
Clarity does not remove risk. It makes risk visible.
Each roadmap change reflects what has been learned, not guessed.
Lean thinking turns goals into testable questions.
Action replaces endless discussion once clarity sets in.
Momentum builds when learning feels purposeful. Lean encourages shipping before certainty arrives.
Data now speaks louder than internal debate.
Emotional distance improves judgment over time.
Learning compounds when experiments are designed intentionally.
Lean transforms confusion into a repeatable way of thinking. With clarity established, Lean shifts focus from thinking to disciplined execution.
Execution in Lean is deliberate, measured, and tightly scoped. Work happens in short bursts, designed to answer one question at a time. Visual progress keeps teams aligned on learning, not workload.
Daily actions stay connected to real customer voices.
Improvements follow evidence, not personal preference.
Communication stays concise, grounded in results.
Lean favors frequent alignment over long meetings.
Each day begins by asking what was learned yesterday.
Patience becomes part of execution when learning takes time.
Execution flows from one experiment directly into the next.
Observation remains central, even during busy cycles.
Routine stabilizes the emotional ups and downs of building.
Documentation preserves learning beyond individual memory.
Lean execution includes knowing when to stop and reflect.
Focus protects limited energy and attention.
Progress accelerates when priorities remain narrow. Results become part of the environment, not hidden in reports.
Small insights begin forming a coherent direction.
Consistent execution turns lean from theory into daily habit.
Over time, patterns appear that individual experiments could not reveal alone.
Lean learning compounds when insights are connected, not isolated.
Repetition in data often signals where real value exists.
Distance from daily noise helps lessons settle clearly.
Many original beliefs quietly dissolve without dramatic failure.
Lean encourages capturing lessons before momentum moves on.
Shared lessons reduce repeated mistakes across the team.
Timing matters as much as insight when acting on learning.
Certain voices represent many others who stayed silent.
Letting go of old metrics keeps focus aligned with reality.
Not every lesson demands immediate action.
Writing clarifies what experience alone can blur.
Perspective grows as urgency fades.
Alignment strengthens when lessons are shared openly.
Confidence now rests on evidence, not optimism.
Trends reveal direction better than any single result.
Learning also means choosing what no longer matters.
Past work becomes reference, not weight.
Strategy emerges naturally from accumulated learning.
Lean transforms experience into guidance for what comes next.
With lessons absorbed, lean thinking shifts toward long-term perspective.
The future is framed as a series of experiments, not predictions.
Lean does not remove uncertainty. It teaches how to live with it.
Vision stays stable, even as tactics continue to change.
Reflection becomes part of sustainable progress.
Long-term direction emerges from repeated short-term learning.
Lean replaces urgency with intentional movement.
Planning becomes adaptive rather than fixed.
Sustainable startups design systems that learn without constant heroics.
Progress feels quieter, but more durable. Time rewards teams that learned faster than they built.
Each phase builds on the last without being trapped by it.
Decisions now feel lighter, supported by experience.
Learning becomes a permanent habit, not a project phase. Lean thinking reshapes how founders approach every new idea.
Letting go remains as important as building.
Even maturity begins with another small test.
The journey continues without a final destination.
Lean startup is not a method to finish, but to practice.
In the end, learning faster than change becomes the real advantage.